We'll be reviewing how to receive a purchase order. To receive a purchase order, simply click on your inventory, then purchase orders, and click and locate the purchase order in which you plan to receive. Go down to the bottom of the purchase order and click Receive Ordered Items. You'll notice the receive date will automatically populate today's date. You can edit that if you need to. Then over here, you have a few different ways to update the received quantity. I could manually type in a number here. If I type in the wrong number, like let's say I put in that I received 11, these little marks will come up letting me know that the received quantity is different than the ordered quantity. In addition to that, if I populate, let's say here that I received 20 of this and tab out, it's going to refluctuate so I know which items I still have to account for. If let's say I have a SKU, I'm going to copy this number here. So if I have a SKU and I want to scan my product using my barcode scanner and click search, it's going to know that that's the moisturizing conditioner. And I can note that I counted 20 of these and I click update received quantity and that will update that here. So I can also scan in, or I could just say, oh, I have a few of these grape Scots. I can click that. And then as I mentioned, if I type in the wrong number and click update received quantity, it will highlight it so I can recount these items in my order. Once I'm done counting, so let me go fill that out. Oh, this is another option that I forgot to mention. If let's say I just know that everything's here and it's easy to count, I can click received all and it will automatically populate my received quantity the same as my ordered quantity. It just assumes that I received everything I ordered. If I'm not ready to close this out, because once I save this, it will go ahead and update all of my on-hand quantities, meaning how many of that product I have. So if I want to step away from this and I'm not ready to do that, because once I close this order, it's not available to reopen, I can click record. I can go about my business, do whatever I need to do, and come back into it and finish counting or adjust any numbers as needed. And then I just go ahead and put in who received this order. If I want to note the actual order cost, I can do that. And then just go ahead and click save. If I want to see my closed purchase orders from the past, I just click this checkbox and there's the order that I just placed. And as you can see, I cannot edit it or re-enter anything once it's done, it's done. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.